Oh no.
Oh, here it comes! Yay! Are you going to touch? Get in there, Cam! BB Adventures!
Hey everybody, BB and Adventures here, coming at you with another park. This is park number 47, Robert Meyers / Parkview Field.
Woo! Yeah!
Also with baseball park.
That's right.
It is a baseball park. Fort Wayne Park has a park within the baseball park.
You always go to the baseball park.
Yeah, we've gone to a lot of baseball games in the past, and we might do a special video with the game someday. We'll see. Not today, though. We're here before the game starts.
Yep. And so we're going to go check out the Splashpad and walk around the park and have some fun here. So come along with us.
Who's ready?
Me.
Who?
Me.
Can't I
see his shirt. It's right there. There he is.
All right. Park number 47.
Woo. 40 to go.
Oh, yes. That's true. All right. Park number 47. Here.
Over there. A pencil.
A pencil?
Okay. Park number 47. Here we go. Woo!
Cheeseburger.
One gate is over way over there.
All right, let's go through it.
Yeah.
Remember where the button is? Did it, you're a magician. I'm getting a little wet.
right, we are all done here at Robert E. Meyers Park here at Parkview Field. Camden, what was your favorite part?
The Splashpad.
The splash pad. That's pretty much all there was.
My favorite part is everything.
A splash pad and a statue. You guys see the statue? The sculpture. Sculpture.
A little amphitheater thing.
Yeah,
Okay.
I found it.
Okay.
The first time we always say everything.
Yeah. Daddy, what was your favorite part?
The fact that it's a park in a park.
Is that so cool, guys?
Tur-duck-en.
Tur-duck-en.
A splash pad in a park.
If it's cool or not.
A tur-duck-en.
Tur-duck-en. It's a splash pad in a park. In a park.
Splash. Spa-papa.
Blah papa. Yeah, I'm gonna use that. You
Um,
guys want to go to the Spy Papa later?
if
You in? Me? You? Me? No?
Well, my favorite part was...
I was kidding.
Oh.
What was your favorite part?
I liked the sculpture. Oh, because we said that. It was cool. All right, so park number...
47. Robert E. Myers.
No.
I thought so.
Park number.
I'm not one.
Yeah,
It's
we got 40 left.
Oh, okay.
I
that
hope.
is a long one. The go in the little one. You don't stop.
This is
Yep.
the go. This is the stop.
Because
Anyway, hi.
Ken is saying something.
What were you saying?
like we have 43 left.
We got 40 left.
Because 40 plus... was number 47. 40 plus 47 equals...
Your butt.
87. That's right.
We have 87 parks to go.
40 to go.
87 minus 47 is
40.
40.
Yeah, that's it. All right.
Dad guessed it right.
It's been hot in here. So, all right. So we got park number 47 in the books, and thank you so much for joining us. Comment down below and let us know what your favorite part of this park was, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? You better subscribe quickly. That was good. And hit the bell for notifications on our next video.
Ding!
There it
I
is.
wasn't gonna miss it that time.
Ding. All right. All right. We will see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you turn the power on? 1, 2, baby. Baby adventures.
Did you design this fountain?
Yeah. Totally. Hoses, pumps.
How do they do the coordinating the different? Is it a program, like a computer?
Yeah. Valving off. Like music, like big crescendo. That's how they do it.
And we